Hi brewers, Gally from VOC Home-brew here again, day before the brew day, just prepping the system. This beastie's had the clean out of clean outs, 4-stage process, had all the valves off, got a bit of muck off. Anyway, tomorrow we're brewing a Timothy Taylor Landlord. Used to be my absolute favourite bottle beer. And then I went to York and had it on cask, and although it's nice, there's better beers out there. But anyway, brewing it tomorrow because I've got all the ingredients in, so something to do as well. So yeah, already I'm not going to top the system up with water till later on this evening, probably 7 o'clock or somewhere, 7-8 o'clock, and set it so it comes on at 6:15 and get on with the brew day. So yeah, just one little last thing. That I basically trimmed off some of the hairs, and it's brilliant for getting down the back of the elements in here. Getting down the back of them, cleaning the. I should have been better prepped to space out kind of behind there, because there was a bit of a build up of, like you could see, organic stuff behind there, and it's really difficult to get to. Anyway, mixed like a teaspoon of that, a couple of teaspoons of water, like a thick paste. There it is in there. I'll chuck that in a minute, and dip that in, got behind it, give it a good scrub for a couple of minutes, both sides, rinsed it all out, and then got on with disassembling it, taking it to bits and put it back together. It didn't take long really, but yeah, really pleased with how clean that is now. So yeah, right, when it rolls over we'll be mashing it in the morning. Cheers. Morning brewers, just starting the mash, well nearly finishing the mashing, 6:10 in the morning, couldn't sleep properly, so decided to come out, heat the system up, and here we are mashing in. So boring footage, just a little bit more to go in. Not easy to do one-handed, so I will get back to you after I've mashed in. Cheers. Yeah brewers, finished the mash in, so just sort of do me, anyone hasn't watched any of my videos before, welcome. This is all to do with the Brewtools, especially this Brewtools B40. And this is how I have I've got a 3 valve setup. The one on the right side, as you look at it, is, I do all my sparging by hand, so this inlet is kind of redundant really. So I have, you can see the, I can't remember what it's bloody called. Anyway, it's kind of not quite pointing upwards, but it's the valve in there, the main inlet valve. It's not pointing right to the sky, but kind of 45 degrees, so it's roughly to the top of the element, so we have no chance of an incident, shall we say. And on the left side here, there I have the valves for this particular phase of the operation. It's basically coming out of the unit there, in through there, then up round, and then back into the unit. So that's the circuit. So we've just mashed in. I'm just giving a quick overview of kind of what's what. We're on the mash rest at the minute. Leave it for 20 minutes. A chance to go make a coffee and sort myself out, and I'll get back to you when we're. But it's a 90-minute mash, 90-minute boil today with these the grist. It's Golden Promise. So yeah, a long brew day. I'll take the footage, I think I need to. So right, get back to you later. Cheers. So brewers, 20 minutes into the mash, just taking the first sample to do the pH. Water's clearing up nicely. That's going to take quite a lot clearer than that. Just thought I'd take a quick shot. Just hang on a minute. See what's what. All going well. Cheers. Hey brewers, back again. Everything going tickety boo. Lovely clear water. Look at that, lovely. spinning around nicely in the kettle. I think you can just about see that. Yep, there it is. Everything's going nice. There's about, I don't know, probably 3 inches difference between the malt pipe and the kettle. The level of the pump, it's kind of kept it at that 55%. It's 20-25 past position on the right there, and it seems to be going through the grain bed quite nice. So yeah, get another smooth brew date, so I will get back to you when I'm kind of sparging, that kind of thing. Cheers. Hey brewers, just got a couple of minutes of the few minutes of the mash out left. I'll just show you the colour and colour of the wort. I think that's ace, lovely and clear. Yeah, so just going to be moving on to the sparge shortly, and a 90-minute boil, so it's going to be kind of midday before I got this one in the fermenter. It's usually in the fermenter by 10:30, 11:15, but there you go. That's show business. Right, see you in a bit. Hey brewers, just coming up to the boil, 1/2 degree to go. It'll be bouncing in there in about 2 minutes. No shite, you can't really see it. It's absolutely bang on the volume at just a fraction over 33 litres. The pre-boil, pre-boil grav, like a 1.5. It should have been 1034. It's virtually 1036, but I'll call it 1035.5. Very happy with that. Yeah, so just about to go to the boil. I will get back to you later. Cheers. Hi brewers, back again. Just on the giving this one a. This is a slight deviation from the normal script with Timothy Taylor Landlords I've done before. Just giving this a hop stand, chuck some 40 grams in, or 30 grams. Giving it a 20-minute hop stand, see if I can improve the flavours and aroma a little bit. So yeah, just we've got 5 minutes, just 5 minutes left now. That's the state of the kettle. So yeah, what we've got to report, not a great deal. That's something happened just before the end of the boil. It's never happened before. It came in and I thought it was telling me, I heard an alarm, thought it was telling me to put the 10-minute additions in, which had been in 5 minutes before, and I had 20 minutes left, and thought, it's a bit strange. So I pressed the warning that comes on the screen there, and it basically took me back to the home page. So just pretty dead simple, just put it in manual mode and just carried on. 10-12 minutes left of the boil and doing what I'm doing now. So yeah, not quite a script, but not a disaster by any means. Everything's going fine. It's, what time is it? I don't even know what bloody time it is. 10 to 11 in the morning. I'm normally finished by this time, but it's an hour and a half mash and an hour and a half boil, so that's my excuse. So yeah, half hour I'll have this in the fermenter, no problem at all. It's absolute last one. There's the scene in the kettle. It'll take long to clean that up. Got just about making out about 23.5, I reckon, in there, somewhere around there. Exactly what I thought I'd get, so I'm quite happy with that. Decent brew day, a couple of little things went amiss, but nothing to worry about at all. So yeah, that's it. Thanks if you stayed to the end. Thanks very much for watching. I'll let you know what this hopefully lovely Timothy Taylor Landlord Clone turns out like in about 3 weeks time. It's going to get full 2 weeks to condition, so it's going to be nearly 4 weeks by the time this is ready, but I'll post in the places I post this. So yeah, cheers, thanks for watching, stay safe, see you on the next one, bye bye.